Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a mukbang. I love eating, hence why I'm so fat. Like, yes, before you read me to filth and read me in the comments, I have gained a little bit of weight, but it's just because I've been loving up on food. But today I'm going to be doing another mukbang. At first, I was going to do another panda because I felt like I did the panda one so long ago that I was like, hello, why not make another panda? But then I was like, no, what's my second favorite place that I love to eat? And ding, 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 Taco Bell. Now, you don't know the amount of work it takes to get Taco Bell from where I live. It's about a 40-minute drive there and another 40-minute drive back. And maybe even might be 45 minutes. 40 to 45 minutes there and 45 minutes back. So it took me some time to get her. But we got her, got quite a bit of food because my two favorite loves in life are Panda and Taco Bell. Like fast food wise. Oh, so good. But yeah, so if you want to see me eat some Taco Bell food, then just keep on watching. Hey. Okay. Let me know down in the comment section what you folks are doing right now while you're watching this video. As I mentioned, because I have to drive so far, my Baja Blast Freeze has turned into a soda. I don't mind. I also have some water on deck because I had quite a bit of soda today. I need to make sure I drink some water too. Oh my god. I was gonna put in lashes for you folks, but I was like, whatever, you guys are coming to see the food and not me. So I was like, screw it. Like, I don't have time. I did do a little foundation and brows for y'all. So let me know down in the comment section what you folks are doing right now. Are you guys eating with me? Are you getting ready with me? Or what are you doing? The first thing I got is I think this is a bean and rice burrito. I've never had that one before. 2 Supreme soft tacos that came with my meal. 2 Beef Chalupas. I love chalupas. Hold on, we'll get everything cute once we get everything out. And 2 Mexican pizzas. What is your favorite thing to eat at Taco Bell? Like, I don't know. I'm not very, like, adventurous. I was kind of adventurous with this burrito. But it was mainly because they had, like, a picture of it on top of the menu. I'm a very, like, visual person. So if I see it and it looks good, I might get it. But usually I just get, like, a Mexican pizza, some tacos, and chalupas. I also got their fries because their fries are back. And I don't know if you tried their fries before, but it's bomb.com. It tastes like a Thickums Dorito. And by Thickums, I mean like a potato burrito. You know, like a Thickums. Comes with the cheesy sauce. I'm not very much of a cheesy person, but with these fries, it's gonna be bomb. And the fries are a little bit soggy. Again, Mama had her a drive to get this. So we got 2 Mexican pizzas, the bean and rice burritos, 2 chalupas, and 2 tacos. Wow, I love everything in pairs. Crazy. Oh, so good. Okay, so first up I'm going to try this burrito. Ew. This is why I usually just stick with what I know. Like, this does not look good. Let's just add some mild sauce. The more, the better. So this burrito is a no. Or is it? I don't know. I'm really hungry right now. How about we put it to the side? And if I come back to her, that means it's good. Charisma. I was listening to RuPaul on my drive back home. Okay, so we have the chalupa here. And then we also have a Mexican pizza. Again, Mexican pizzas are like my holy Jesus Christ. And chalupas are my second. Charisma. Some of you might be like, that is so much sauce. Girl, she likes it juicy. She likes her things juicy. Yeah, just add some flavor. I just sounded like a horse. So anyway, back to what I was saying. So I was listening to RuPaul driving home. Did you guys watch this last season? If so, who's your favorite? Can you guess who mine was? I feel like you totally can. So mine had like similar traits with me. We're thickums. That probably gave it away. And we just find happiness and laughter. You know when you're bigger? Jokes tend to distract from the weight. So it's almost like if I'm funny, you won't notice that I'm fat. And I know it's like just like mental because like I'm not the biggest person in the world. And I'm not saying that I am the biggest person in the world. What I'm saying is that I'm fatter than I was. While I'm eating the entire menu at Taco Bell. But the thing is, I've accepted it. I started to buy clothes that actually fits me. And I'm starting to purge clothes that don't. Which is why I'm totally doing like a shop my closet kind of video. If it's up, I'll leave it down in the comment section below. If it's not up, then we'll just have to wait and see. Sorry, not comment section, the description below. Oh, I'm so hungry. Tell me, did anyone else's parents growing up, when you would say, "Mom, I'm starving," your mom would say, "You are not starving. The people in Africa are starving. You are just hungry." No? Just mine? So now I can never say like, oh, I'm starving, because every time I say it, like I think about her comment and that I'm not starving. I'm just really hungry. Mm-hmm. You know what bothers me? Is when I'm going through the drive-thru and I'm trying to figure out like what I'm going to order, but the person on the other side asks me, "Is that all? Is that all?" Like after every single item. Like, no, sir. Like, let me just place my order and I'll tell you when I'm done. Like, let me order the whole menu if I want to. Why do you keep asking me if that's all? And maybe I get it, because maybe some people aren't like, okay, that's all, like at the end of their order. So I get it. Oh, excuse me. So I get it, but if you hear me like about to speak, then don't be asking if that's all. Charisma, uniqueness, nervous. Oh wait, we didn't say who my favorite was from RuPaul. It's Eureka.
Eureka, you found, is it you found me or you found it? Watch me smile and watch me say, cause I'm living for my truth sauce every day. It's not about your color, gender or size, we'll make them together, we can rise. I came from nothing, then we were on the screen, so I fought for my piece of the American dream. You can be a star, you can be a stripe and get in line, or be a star and not be defined. Come on, y'all. Live free. I'm the elephant queen, what are you gonna be? I think I did alright.
Queen. And we have to give her major props. You know, heels were not made for big people in mind. I have a few when I'm like full glam. And I'm not even as thickums as Eureka, but so like we have to give her major cred for getting on that stage and like crushing it. No pun intended. Like I literally mean like crushing her moves. That was the bad one. I'm starting to slow down, guys. I still have a whole nother Mexican pizza.
I love Mountain Dew Baja Blast. I don't know if I said it here, like on my channel. I know I said it on Instagram, but I'm so happy Mountain Dew cans came back as Baja Blast. They usually do it every summer. Oh, I have a brain freeze. Why did that not hit me till later? Jesus. Jesus, take the wheel. Jesus, take the wheel.
I'm gonna have a taco. Oh, man. I feel like a woman. Does anyone else, like, this is my biggest problem with in life, is anytime I say anything, it turns into a song. Or, like, I can think of a song to match anything I'm saying. You're my forever. No, I hate tomatoes. Like, if I just taste it, I don't care, but, like, I can't look at it, like, while I'm trying to eat it. Does anyone else do that? Like, where They get super picky towards the end of their meal, like while they're getting full. I become selective of what I want to eat. It's like, I don't want to waste that last few space in my stomach for a tomato. I want to save it for another piece of a Mexican pizza. This is going to be a short video. I wanted me to record me like ordering, but I forgot my camera at home. So that was a huge fail. I ain't gonna let this cheese go to waste. I love the setup and lighting in my pandas mukbang. I have to do it again. How was it? Okay, I'm done. I promise I won't turn anything else into songs. That bean and rice burrito, no go. This is why I just should stick to what I know. Oh god, this is so messy. I'll eat it like a burrito. Cheers. This is like the end of my meal. After this, I'll finish with the Baja Blast. And we'll think we're gonna come to a close. But yeah, if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Click subscribe before you leave. Stick around for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I'm always trying to post new content there. New, fresh, and fun content there. So yeah, make sure to go and check it out. And yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say. I pretty much said enough. And I'll see you folks in my next video. Bye.
So extra and unnecessary.